Hey guys, welcome back. Johnny here. In today's video, I'm going to show you my $800 Robinhood portfolio, what I'm holding in it, what I've bought, what I've sold, and what dividends are coming in. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm up $808.39 or 0.38% for the day. 1 week, I'm up $7, almost 1%. For the month, I'm up $42 or 5%. 3 months, I'm up $54 or 7%. And for the year, I'm up $111 or 15, almost 16%. All in all, since I've been on the Robinhood app, I've made $423.90 or 110% profit. And this all started back on August 11th, 2017. So it's been about a year and a half on this account. I've grown it to $1,000 twice, once from getting a free share, and the second time I did it with only $30. Now I do put money into my account, so don't get that confused with appreciation or dividends. There's no way I could make 110% if I just put 400 in and just let it ride. No, the only way I could do that was through referrals, free shares when you sign up with my link below this video, dividends, and appreciation. Now, as you can see, right here I have 1 share of Chesapeake Energy, 1 share of GoPro, 1 share of Fit, 1 share of Snap, 3 shares of Ford, 2 shares of GLAD or Gladstone Corporation, 5 shares of GAIN, another Gladstone Corporation company, 1 share of CHY, 1 share of TWO, 1 share of APLE, Apple Hospitality REIT, 1 share of NRZ, 1 share of LADR, 1 share of AGNC, UMPQ, STWD, PTLA, T, 1 share of STOR, 1 share of IRM, 1 share of Maine, 1 share of Activision, ATVI, MU, PFE, GIS, HIG, O, and last but not least, I added ABT or Abbott Technology to my portfolio, which will be my largest holding for this account right now. As you can see here, equity, ABT is my largest holding, then Realty Income Co., Gladstone Investments, and then Hartford Financial and General Mills. Those are my top 5 holdings right now. I can show you some history as far as dividends go. For the month of February, I've gotten quite a bit of dividends from a few cool companies, as you can see here. And some of these are monthly paying companies. 5 shares, 2 shares, Pfizer, Main Street Capital. And then let's go to rewards. Haven't got any new rewards recently. I have, but for some reason the system doesn't want to show that I have free rewards. As you can see here, I have January 25th was the most recent one that's been accepted. I got 1 share of Snap. But I have tons and tons of free shares from people, guys. And it just keeps going. And then I have people that I need to remind. And these people can all sign up, or have signed up actually, with my link. They just haven't completed their application or gone through all the steps yet. But if you guys are interested in this, you guys can get a free share for signing up with my link here or in the description below. And when you sign up, you get a chance to win Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, or Facebook. I was able to get Facebook for $179. That's $179 for free just for signing up. GE, CenturyLink, Snap, all great companies. And then once you get into the program, then you can actually start reminding your friends and sending family and friends your referral link to sign up. That's how I got started with this account. Now, this is a weird kind of video. I get a lot of views on these types of videos, people seeing what I have, stuff like that. Now, I did some research and it looks like I'm going to be getting about $25 per year off of dividends just on these companies alone, which is awesome, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.